What's going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today we're going to be going into a bin store. Now this is a pretty new one. This is in Aylmer, Ontario. It's called Aymer Liquidation Binz. I was in here the other day. Actually, I created like a short little TikTok of me picking something up. I will link my TikTok down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. It is pretty new. I don't post a lot on it, but it is just something I've been doing for fun. So if you're interested, check that out as well. Today though, here at the Aymer Liquidation Binz store, it is a $20 day. So this is their premium day. So for me personally, $20 is a pretty high cost of goods, because if you're new to the channel, what I generally am trying to do is find stuff cheap to flip online. Places like eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, you name it, I'm probably selling on there. So we're looking for something that we can flip for profits. When you're talking about places like eBay, there's fees and shipping and all types of things associated with that. So you have to be pretty careful. You want to at least double up on your investments. But yeah, should be interesting. Let's check it out. This is the $20 day. And if you do like videos like this, give it a thumbs up and we can come back and try some other days. You know, I'll show you basically the different price points. How you doing? Good. So everything is 20 besides the clothing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Over this side and that side.
This is different?
The price. Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's marked?
It's marked.
Okay. Makes sense. Yep. So when we talk about sell-through rate, this is what we're talking about. You see a number of these have been listed. There's only a couple that have sold actually, one for $80 and one for $13. It might be a long tail item, so not something I'm looking to pick up today. You know, all these items today are $20. Now with items like this camera timer, the price is all over the place, anywhere from $20 to $50. This one happened to be open box, so I left it. Now, I really think this would be a great item. Unfortunately, this box has been opened. If it was unopened, I would definitely be picking this up. This is a great personal use item. It's just a rechargeable sonic toothbrush by My Smile. This would probably be worth about $60 to $80 online, so it's really unfortunate that it was open, but we're going to pass on this.
You know, especially when you use round ones, you gotta open them up to see, I guess.
Now, one of the advantages I have in stores like this is that I've bought pallets like this in bulk multiple times over, so I'm kind of know what I'm looking for. I've seen these glasses plenty of times before. I've seen a lot of this kind of filler stuff plenty of times before, so I know I'm kind of looking for the bigger items, the more expensive items, so I'm just going to keep on digging here. Now this is the first item I decided to pick up. Now my goal here is usually to double up on my money, or pretty close to double up on my money. I figure I can probably do that on this, and it will be a pretty quick seller with the holidays coming. I was pretty surprised to find these two items back to back. This is a little laser level. I think this one's a self-leveling one. It is brand new with the everything. It's got the battery still sealed in it. It's got the manual. Basically brand new here. Now I wound up picking up this camera for personal use. It's an indoor-outdoor security camera. It's, you know, I could sell it for about $35 on eBay. I was actually trying to find a second unit so I could have multiple outdoor cameras at home. I did look this up on Amazon as well. They go for about $50 for a single unit. So really, I don't think that's too bad for a personal pickup. You know, $20 for something that should have cost me about $50 on Amazon. Once again, a $20 hair straightener here. You can't really complain there. I'm sure on Amazon this is worth a lot more than that. This Android box sells for $50 on eBay, probably more than that, probably more like $60 or $70 on Amazon. So a nice personal pickup of $20, but not stuff I'm personally looking for resale. But like I said, there's lots of great personal use items here. It's not all about flipping. So I'm not actually familiar with this brand, but I did know what this was right away. This is a wireless system for guitar. Basically, you have the receiver and the part that you plug in to the actual guitar, and it just makes it wireless, so you don't have to use a patch cord or guitar cable. Like I said, I haven't really heard of this brand before, but I knew these things had good value. Some of the legitimate ones, name brand ones, are hundreds of dollars. So I figured, why not look this up? I think it could be good. Another great personal use item. These are just rechargeable batteries for Xbox One controllers. You know, it comes with a dock and everything. Looks like somebody got $42 on eBay, but there's a whole bunch listed, not a ton sold. This is another one of the alarm clocks that you see me pick up earlier. It's a smart clock. Now, truth be told, I've already listed these both on eBay, and this is my sold comp. I sold one for 35 bucks. So I listed them not as high as I thought I was gonna, but already sold for 35 bucks and I have one more to sell. If I find any more of these, I would definitely pick them up again. Unfortunately with this guy, the box was damaged, but this was another item that would be really good. I think it sells for about $50 roughly, you know, and everything today, like I said, was $20. There's lots of interesting stuff. Oh, is this one of those hoverboard things in there? Mm-hmm. Yeah?
Yeah.
Dangerous.
I broke my back.
What do you mean by that? You broke
My back is broken.
Hurt myself, right? I grabbed a few things here. Grab two of these and this.
That would be 115.
Okay. In cash is okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe 120, I think. Perfect. Yes, please. Alrighty, thank you very much. Yes, sir. Not too bad. I picked up 5 items there. I just want to give you kind of a hot take as I'm leaving the store. Essentially, I think it's a little bit expensive on the $20 day if you're looking to resell. If you're looking for personal use, there are a lot of great deals there, so I don't really want to be negative in that aspect. Just if you're looking to resell stuff coming on the $20 day, it's gonna be a little tough just because a lot of the stuff in there, the profit margins are gonna be pretty slim on that. And the sell-through rate on all the stuff isn't the best either. But like I said, for personal use, this place is fantastic. I did still pick up some stuff. When we get home, I can kind of go through that stuff in a little more detail. I did pick up 2 personal items in this stuff for myself as well. I think probably when I edit this, I will throw comps up for stuff that I do pick up anyway, but we will go home and kind of give us a better idea of what I think I'm going to do with all this stuff and how much money, or if I'm even going to make any money at all. So it's been a couple days since I filmed. I have got all this stuff listed, and I mentioned I had sold one of these already. Now this is the Lenovo Smart Clock. I sold it for $35. That was the best offer. I had it listed for $41. So even if I took $35 for both, that would be about what, $70 right there. Now the laser, the self-leveling laser guy, I have it listed I think for $42. So assuming it sold for $42, that's not too bad. The wireless system right here, that guy, I think I'm gonna get about 75 bucks for it, roughly. And the camera itself, this is going to be for personal use, but if I was going to sell it, I'd probably easily still get $30 for it. So if we take a look at those numbers, I think that's roughly around $117. So I paid $113 for everything. So I would be doubling up my money. Obviously, like I said, some of this is going to be personal use. I could accept the best offer on some of this, but still probably right around doubling my money on what I paid for everything. And that's sort of picking up things that I felt comfortable picking up that I think will sell quickly. Now, I was in the store today on my way home from London, and I did pick up one of these little guys. It's a little, get in focus there. It's just a little wireless microphone here. Testing it out at the end of the video. Paid $15 for it. It's actually $12 on Mondays, but today, to the side where they have electronics and stuff, that stuff's all marked or priced as marked. So I paid 15 bucks for this. I think it's on Amazon, it's roughly about 30 bucks. So it's not, you know, a crazy deal, but I thought this would be pretty fun just to test out and use at the end of the video. Do I plan on going back to the store? I absolutely plan on going back to the store. I had a blast there. It's fun to look around. You know, like I said in the video, I've plenty of times bought liquidation pallets from Amazon, Walmart, all sorts of different places. You can actually find those videos on my channel. I will link one down below if you're interested. So I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to picking up this sort of liquidation stuff. I think this is a good store though. I think they're priced fairly. I think if you're in the area, you should definitely check them out because it'll be worth your time, worth your while, and it's a lot of fun. Even if you're not looking to resell, it is fun just to look around for personal use. If you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Until next time, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.